Hi, I'm Giovanna from Atlassian. I want to show you how to set up your own custom standards for your code reviews using Rovo Dev CLI. Code reviewer customization can help teams enforce custom standards in their pull requests. It is essentially an additional set of instructions that you can set once and have it applied for all the pull requests your team raises. I'll run you through an example of how you can set this up using RovoDev CLI. To get started, ensure you have a .rovodev folder in your repo. Under that folder, you will need to have a file called .review-agent.md, where you will describe your standards using natural language. You will need to have this file committed in your repository in Bitbucket Cloud. Having this file present, all your future pull requests will be checked for the custom rules you set to identify if there are any violations of patterns described. If so, the code reviewer will generate a more targeted and more relevant suggestions in your pull requests. Let's use an LLM to generate a few good standards for our repository. I will ask RovoDev CLI to prepare this file for me. Note that it might take a few iterations to get it to the stage that you want to keep. I have my RovoDev fired up here, and I already have a prompt ready, which I'm going to paste in here. Here's 3 tips you can follow to get the best result for you. 1. Instruct your RovoDev CLI to generate code review guidelines for better anti-pattern detection and better solutions. Request listing the guidelines per sections, including performance standards, code quality, security, naming conventions, and similar. 2. Tell RovoDev CLI to write instructions more clearer. And for that, you can use a format: when you spot something outside of the guidelines, you should suggest a better solution. 3. Also ask the agent to exclude certain review topics, such as feedback on formatting. Give it super clear instructions, such as when you find non-critical issues, you should avoid leaving any suggestions. And we're asking it to save it in the right file. Now, let's generate synthetic code examples that we can use to verify that the code reviewer is able to capture those code violations in our codebase. For this, I have also prepared a prompt in advance. I'm asking RovoDev CLI to generate code violations based on the code standards that we have, deliberately making mistakes. And I'm also asking it to generate a report to show us what's been changed. With that report, you can then look through the files if interested and make more mistakes on purpose that violate the standards. Now let's push these changes to see what code reviewer picks up and verify that setting our standards is working in our repository.